Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy another page from another website on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, I have opened two websites right here. So what I can do is I can actually head over and open this pages and menu. Once I have opened that, I can actually head over and then just select the page that I want to copy. So for example, I want to copy the contact page. Just click on these three dots right here. Then from there, click on copy. Once I have copied that, let's head over to another site that I have opened. So let's just wait for this right here. And once we have done that, let's click on the pages and menu as well. And then once you have click on that, you should be able to see the pages and menu that they have. So what you can do is you can actually right click and then click on paste right here. So let's click on paste. And then as you can see, copy has been added to right here. So when we head over, as you can see, you can actually rename that as well. So let's rename it just contact and click on done. So once you have clicked on that, as you can see, it will look like this right here. So we have copied it from another page. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to copy a page from another website on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!